Hi, I'm Brian Myers, and for the past 24 years, I've been an Autodesk product user. I started off with AutoCAD version 9 back in 1989, and for the past 7 years, I've been using Autodesk Revit, and that's all flavors, including Revit Architecture, MEP, and Structure, as well as this new flavor that's out, which is just called Autodesk Revit. Probably the most important thing as far as you're concerned is that I can be contacted really easily. You can email me at brian@brianmyers.us with any questions related to this video series or just in Revit in general. I love answering questions, and if you send them my way and you don't flood me with questions every single day, I will answer as many of your questions as I possibly can. To give you a little bit more background, I was named one of the very first instructors on Revit Architecture by Autodesk. Also, I've trained over 600 individuals on various Autodesk products, including AutoCAD Architecture, AutoCAD, AutoCAD LT, Navisworks, and a wide variety of other softwares. I've had the opportunity to record multiple different technical video series, and I've also been the technical editor for 2 books. One of my own prides and joys is that I've been the founder of one of the largest Revit organizations on LinkedIn, and it's called Revit Users. It has its own online forum, and if you decide to join up, all you need to do is search underneath the LinkedIn groups for Revit Users. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video series and let me know if I can help you anymore.